हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विथ उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे कि आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहेगी। तो आज के वीडियो में हम एसएससी में पूछे गए हिस्ट्री के टॉप 35 इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। विच डायनेस्टी किंगडम was established in India after the invasion of Taimur? And the answer is Sayyid dynasty. Second question. Who among the following medieval rulers was highly educated? And the answer is Abraham Lodi. Third question. At which of the following places is a famous Sikh Gurudwara located? And the answer is Hemkund. Fourth question. Which of the following ancient towns is well known for its elaborate system of water harvesting and management by building a series of dams and channelizing water into connected reservoirs? And the answer is Dholavira. Fifth question. When was the Mughal Empire established? And the correct answer is 1526. Sixth question. Which of the following rivers was known as Purushani in the Vedic period? And the answer is Ravi River. Seventh question. At one stage in the Vedic age, the king was called Gopti, which meant? And the answer is Lord of Kettle. Eighth question. In which of the following states was Lord Mahavira born? And the answer is Bihar. Ninth question. According to the Jain philosophy, the term Jina means? And the answer is the conqueror. 10th question. Name the holy city recognized as the birthplace of the first and fourth Jain Tirthankaras. And the answer is Ayodhya. 11th question. In the 1st century BC, a major split in Jainism led to the formation of two major sects. What are the names of these two sects? And the answer is Digambras and Swatambras. 12th question. The concept of the Four Noble Truths belong to which of the following religions? And the answer is Buddhism. 13th question. Which of the following sites is associated with the birth of Gautam Buddha? And the answer is Lumbini. 14th question. The monuments of Khajuraho in the state of Madhya Pradesh are fine denotations of the Dash dynasty. And the answer is Chandela. 15th question. Name the state Chandra first got in dowry from the Licchavis. And the answer is Patliputra. 16th question. The dancing girl statue found in Mohenjo-daro is made of which metal? And the answer is bronze metal. 17th question. The Great Bath is one of the most famous structures of which Harappan site? And the answer is Mohenjo-daro. 18th question. The Rig Veda is composed in which language? And the answer is Sanskrit. 19th question. Who is called the father of Indian archaeology? And the answer is Alexander Cunningham. 20th question. The Vedic god Indra was associated with? And the answer is rain. 21st question. Which Indus Valley site had the earliest evidence of plugged field? And the answer is Kalibangan. 22nd question. The Gayatri Mantra is addressed to which deity? And the answer is Savitri. 23rd question. Which site has given the earliest evidence of cotton cultivation? And the answer is Mehergarh. 24th question. Who founded the slave dynasty in India? And the answer is Qutbuddin Aibak. 25th question. Who was the first woman ruler of Delhi Sultanate? And the answer is Razia Sultan. 26th question. Who was the last ruler of Lodi dynasty? And the answer is Ibrahim Lodi. 27th question. The famous Nalanda University was established in which Mahajanpad region? And the answer is Magad. 28th question. The famous Kohinoor diamond was taken from India by? And the answer is Nadir Shah. 29th question. Who introduced the Mansabdari system? And the answer is Akbar. 30th question. Who built the Buland Darwaza? And the answer is Akbar. 31st question. The first known dynasty of Magad was? And the answer is Haryanika. 32nd question. Who among the following was called the second Alexander? And the answer is Aluddin Khilji. 33rd question. Which Mahajanpad was located on the banks of the Godavari river? And the answer is Asaka. 34th question. Which Mughal ruler is known for constructing the Red Fort? And the answer is Shah Jahan. And the last 35th question. Who was the first Mughal emperor in India? And the answer is बाबर. तो ये थे हिस्ट्री के टॉप 35 इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज के क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है हु वॉज द मोस्ट पावरफुल रूलर ऑफ द विजयनगर एम्पायर। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।